everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be making a jellyfish from some tubes of clay that I have wrapped in foil and flattened out. Pretty much that's the gist of the video. The inspiration from this came from looking online at paper quilling projects because I think that paper quilling is absolutely beautiful. But it's something that I don't really want to get into right now because I have a lot of other stuff going on. I would love to try paper quilling one day, but it's so time consuming that I really don't think I would have the time to do it right now. But after looking at a lot of images online of paper quilling projects and things, I had come across the jellyfish that people were doing, and all I did was Google paper quilling sea creatures and had a ton come up. And they're all so beautiful, but the jellyfish is the one that I really liked, and so I wanted to recreate it with clay and somehow make it look like paper quilling, but I knew that I couldn't make it as thin as paper quilling, obviously. So this is how it went. It's just primo clay, silver foil, and a design, and that's it. I will say the most tedious process of this whole thing was trying to get the bottom tentacle part the way I wanted. It took forever, and even before I put it in the oven, I had to tweak it a little bit, and that's why it looks different than what you see as the final compared to the pictures. The end result I love, I just don't know what to do with it. I was thinking of making it a piece of jewelry, but it is rather large, so I don't know if anyone would like that. Then I thought about framing it and putting it in my bathroom or hanging it on the wall somewhere, I don't know. So that's why you don't really see an ending to this video. It's still sitting on the table and I'm trying to decide what I want to do with it. I have not sealed it yet because I am torn between whether I want to add some color or not. So that's where I'm at right now. But anyways, this is the process of it. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out the links below because now I am excited to let you guys know that I have my own website and store. And if you would like any of the products that I use, you can check that out and they will be there. And I'm also thinking about posting some of the jewelry that I made on there. But again, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments what you think of it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.